We live in an age, regrettably, where engineered obsolescence is not a conspiracy, but a business model. Consumer technology is often designed for a fleeting lifespan, a quick thrill, then the landfill. For the professional, for those who measure success in build hours and flawless execution, the Orion standard demands more. It demands resilience, reliability, and above all, return on investment. This brings us to the Gardyn Studio 2 hydroponics system, an interesting proposition for the global professional whose time is literally money. Think of it this way: every moment you spend troubleshooting, every instance of technical failure is not merely frustrating, it is a slow, insidious leak in your bank account. That cheap, finicky piece of equipment isn't saving you money, it's actively draining your resources. Imagine the quiet humiliation, not in a midtown Manhattan boardroom where a budget projector fails mid-pitch, but in the subtle erosion of your own executive presence. The quiet hum of a neglected, inferior system, demanding attention it doesn't deserve, pulling focus from a critical analysis, a crucial email to Canary Wharf, a vital call with a client in Toronto. That wasted mental bandwidth, that splintered focus, is the reputational tax levied by inadequate tools. The true cost of a cheap solution is the opportunity cost of what you could have achieved if your tools simply performed. Consider the math. If a system like the Gardyn Studio 2 can save you 15 minutes a day, 15 minutes not spent wrestling with a dying herb plant, 15 minutes gained by having fresh, nutrient-dense produce at your fingertips, reducing decision fatigue and grocery trips, that translates to 5 hours a month. For a London consultant or a San Francisco executive, 5 hours of peak productivity is not just a luxury, it is a direct deposit of thousands of dollars. This isn't about growing lettuce, it's about cultivating personal efficiency and mental clarity that directly impacts your professional output. The physicality of the Gardyn Studio 2 speaks volumes. Its upright structure, standing just over 2 feet 6 inches tall, yet occupying a desk footprint barely 10 inches in diameter, speaks to thoughtful industrial design, a seamless blend into any executive environment. Constructed from high-density, food-grade polymers, its 16 sealed columns are not merely aesthetic. They are CNC molded, ensuring zero crystallization buildup, zero maintenance headaches, and complete watertight integrity. The integrated LED arrays, precisely calibrated for photon delivery with advanced sunrise and sunset modes, are encased within thermal dissipating housing, ensuring consistent performance day in and day out, whether you're working from a London townhouse or a high-rise in Toronto. This is a system over-engineered for relentless, quiet competence, far beyond the flimsy plastic and exposed wiring of its lesser counterparts. The ultra-wide camera and the Kelby AI assistant monitor every detail, providing real-time data and personalized care, effectively automating the entire process. It is admittedly an unyielding presence. Some might call it heavy, perhaps even imposing for a casual user, but that heft, that carefully distributed mass, is the ballast against entropy. It is the passive thermal management, the vibration dampening, ensuring the serene, consistent environment your 16 plants demand and that your focus requires. It's a tool for the discerning, not the dilettante. The global supply chain in 2026 remains volatile. Prices at regional hubs in the US, the UK, and Canada are shifting daily. I put the link below so you can check the current 2026 price and stock.